The United Nations says urgent relief aid is needed for 3 million Syrian refugees. In Pakistan, 3,045 new infection cases and 45 deaths were reported during the last 24 hours. UK and the European Union will resume face-to-face trade talks in London today on Saturday. Iran says it reserves rights to take necessary measures to defend its people. In Iraq, 4 people have been killed and dozens wounded in clashes between anti-government protesters and supporters of Shiite cleric Moqtada Sadr. Many injured as Israel breaks up Palestinian protest. India entered an unprecedented recession with the economy contracted in the 3 months through September due to lingering effects of lockdown of contain the COVID-19 outbreaks. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi says Pakistan is committed to forge closer cooperation with the United Arab Emirates in diverse fields.